Today we will be making one of my favorite cookies, the oatmeal raisin. Let's get to it. Now if you want to follow along with this recipe, check out the description box for the recipe and the grocery list. Alright, so for our oatmeal raisin cookies, we're going to need a cup of unsalted butter, a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs. Room temperature eggs are preferred. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of molasses, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of old-fashioned whole rolled oats. Use old-fashioned whole oats for a heartier cookie, and 1.5 cups of raisins. If needed, soak raisins in warm water for added moisture. First, use a stand mixer and whip the butter and both sugars for several minutes. Add eggs and mix on high. Follow with molasses and vanilla, mix until well combined. Scrape down bowl as needed. In a separate bowl, mix the dry ingredients. Whisk together flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Add to wet ingredients. Mix until well combined. Cover with plastic wrap and chill for 30 to 45 minutes. Dough will be very sticky. While you're waiting for your dough to chill, you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll dough into desired size of cookie. They will spread and space 2 inches apart on sheet. Bake for 12 to 14 minutes. They will look underbaked. Let cool for 5 minutes before moving to cooling rack. Baked cookies will last 2 months in the freezer. Unbaked cookies will store for 3 months in the freezer. And then add 1 to 2 minutes to the cook time. Do not thaw. Cookies will stay good for a week in a sealed container at room temperature. Now I might be biased because oatmeal raisin cookie is my favorite, but let me tell you, this is the best recipe I have ever had.